And then we don't just have the air cell cleaner, because inside, remember I said we have something that reduces odors and volatile organic compounds? This is the replacement filter, the odor absorber.
Right, the main one, that is for life.
That is for life. And this actually will last you such a long time. This isn't something that you're going to have to replace every month, every 2 months. Again, depending on where you live, it could last up to 1 to 2 years. So, but once that light has gone on, you don't need to replace it, just so you know.
All right, so that's 510-337, $44 for that. 1-888-20-20-888, our website, theshoppingchannel.com. We've got